Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a serious piece of aerial photography equipment. The 4K HDR professional drone featuring a Hasselblad camera. This isn't just a toy. It's designed for both professionals and serious hobbyists looking to capture stunning imagery from the sky. Right out of the gate, the star of the show is undoubtedly the camera system. It boasts a Hasselblad camera equipped with a large 1-inch CMOS sensor. This sensor size is crucial for capturing high-quality images and video, especially in challenging lighting conditions. It supports 4K HDR video recording, promising footage that is incredibly lifelike and vibrant. For those who delve into post-production, the 10-bit DLOGM color profile is a game-changer, capturing over 1 billion colors and providing immense flexibility for color grading. The adjustable aperture is another professional-grade feature, allowing control over depth of field and exposure, making it perform brilliantly from bright sunny days to twilight hours. Beyond the camera, the flight capabilities are equally impressive. It offers an extended flight time of up to 31 minutes, giving you more time in the air to compose and capture that perfect shot without constantly worrying about the battery. The OcuSync 2.0 transmission system provides a long range of up to 8 kilometers, ensuring a reliable connection and real-time video feed, with automatic switching to maintain signal integrity. Safety is also a key focus, with omnidirectional obstacle sensing providing comprehensive protection during flight. This drone is truly best utilized for professional applications like capturing breathtaking landscapes, documenting events from a unique perspective, or creating high-quality real estate imagery. Its advanced features also make it perfect for creative shots like stunning time-lapses, dynamic hyperlapses, and detailed high-dynamic range photos. Measuring in at approximately 8.43 by 3.3 by 3.58 inches, it's a substantial piece of equipment designed for performance. It comes in a sleek black finish. In the box, you'll find everything you need to get started, including the aircraft itself, the remote controller, an intelligent flight battery, charger, power cable, multiple pairs of propellers, various RC cables for different phone connectors, Lightning, micro USB, USB Type-C, a gimbal protector, a communication cable, a USB adapter, RC cable sliders, and even spare control sticks. What really sets this drone apart is that powerful combination of the exceptional Hasselblad camera quality paired with its robust and intelligent flight platform. It's built to deliver professional results and make aerial photography and videography more accessible and safer.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.